Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The next generation iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting tablet releases yet. Following the successful launch of the M4 iPad Pro in May 2024, Apple is already preparing to take things further with the M5 series. Packed with cutting-edge performance, slimmer designs, OLED displays, and smarter AI-driven software, the iPad Pro M5 isn't just a small upgrade, it's Apple's big push to make the iPad a true laptop replacement. And in this video article, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the iPad Pro M5, its leaks, rumors, full specs, 10 confirmed and expected features, release date, and pricing details. If you're planning to upgrade, or just curious to see how Apple plans to push the boundaries of tablet computing, you'll want to stick around until the end. Introduction: Apple is set to release the M5 iPad Pro in fall 2025, aligning with an 18-month update cycle. M4 launched in May 2024. It will likely debut alongside iPadOS 26, a major software upgrade enhancing multitasking and productivity capabilities. Release date October 2025 is the most widely cited launch window, based on OLED panel production by Samsung and LG. Some sources mention possibilities stretching into late 2025 or early 2026. Chip and performance: powered by Apple's new M5 chip, likely manufactured using TSMC's advanced 3nm process, N3P or variant, offering notable gains in efficiency and speed. Performance improvements range from 10–15% geeky gadgets to 25–30%. According to gaming-focused leaks, design remains largely unchanged compared to the M4 model. Ultra-thin form, approximate 5.3mm. High-quality tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display. Rumored screen sizes: 11.5-inch and 13.5-inch OLED, featuring thinner bezels and higher screen-to-body ratio. RAM is expected to increase to 16GB across all models, with speculation of up to 32GB in higher storage variants. Integration of Wi-Fi 7 is expected for faster, more reliable wireless performance. Front camera and Face ID: big upgrade. Dual front cameras, one each on the long and short edges, enabling seamless Face ID, selfies, and FaceTime in both landscape and portrait orientations. This improves usability significantly over previous single-camera designs. While not confirmed across all sources, some leaks suggest reverse wireless charging, MagSafe integration, and enhanced AI performance and power efficiency. Core improvements will be gradual, focusing on performance and functional upgrades rather than sweeping visual redesigns. iPadOS 26 enhanced software experience. Windowing improvements: resize apps, run up to 12 at once, minimize, hide, or store window states. macOS style features optimized for larger displays and powerful hardware, letting users manage dock apps, multitask more deeply, and harness AI-driven enhancements. Expected date October 2025, likely. Alternate timeline: late 2025, early 2026 possible. Pricing expected to stay comparable to current iPad Pro models, starting at $999 11-inch and $1,299 13-inch, now with 256GB base storage, up from 128GB. External factors like chip tariffs could modestly affect retail prices in certain regions. 10 key features of the iPad Pro M5: new M5 chip, improved CPU, GPU, and neural engine performance, 10–30% boost. OLED displays: high brightness, energy-efficient tandem OLED, 11.5 and 13.5. Slim design maintained. Ultra-thin profile, 5.3mm, 0.16GB RAM standard, possibly up to 32GB in higher-end models. Wi-Fi 7 support, enhanced wireless speeds and stability. Dual front cameras works in both orientations for Face ID and FaceTime. iPadOS 26 integration, advanced multitasking, windowing, and AI. Optional reverse wireless charging and MagSafe functional convenience improvements. Leaked. Stable pricing starting around $999 for 11, $1,299 for 13.5, with 256GB base storage. Late 2025 launch, likely October. Confirmed production underway. The iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be a polished, evolutionary upgrade chip and shipped to refine your experience with power, usability, and future-ready tech, rather than overhaul the look. With iPadOS 26 unlocking its full potential, it's poised to be one of the most capable tablets yet. Expect it later this year with price steady, but experience unmatched. So there you have it, everything we know so far about the upcoming iPad Pro M5. From the powerful M5 chip and dual front cameras to OLED displays and the much-anticipated iPadOS 26 features. This device looks set to redefine what a tablet can do if Apple sticks to its current timeline. We'll likely see the iPad Pro M5 in October 2025, with prices starting around $999 for the 11-inch model and $1,299 for the larger 13.5-inch version. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you consider upgrading to the iPad Pro M5? Or do you think the M4 is still powerful enough? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Apple's upcoming tech. Thanks for watching, reading, and I'll see you in the next one.